And this is a desk. Where is the bookcase?
The bookcase is in the classroom.
Where? Can you point? Oh, yes. Where is the computer?
Computer is in the classroom.
Where? Here. Oh, where is the board?
On the wall.
Oh, very good. Where is the yellow bag?
The yellow bag is next to the desk.
Very good. Okay. This is a robot. The robot is next to the board. Can you put the robot under the board? Is that under? Under here? Yes, very good. This is a dog. The dog is on the bookcase. Can you put the dog under the bookcase? Yes. The eraser is under the cupboard. Can you put the eraser on the cupboard? On the cupboard. Okay, thank you. How many bookcases are there?
One bookcase.
There are, or there is? How many computers are there?
There are one computer.
How many pencils are here?
There are two pencils.
Very good. What colour is the bookcase? What colour is the ruler?
Pink.
Pink. Is this bag orange?
No.
What colour is it? It's green. Okay. How old are you? 7 years old. And what's your favourite colour? Purple. How many people are in your family? Mum, Dad. 4 people. Who are they? Mum, Dad, brother, and you. Ah, good job. You get a Hello Kitty stamp. Good girl, thank you.